Hey there! If you're in a meeting or in a dark room and your iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max, or Plus is on silent mode, you can still catch important call, text, app notifications by making your iPhone flash so you never miss it, even when your iPhone is face down. So in this guide, we'll show you how to set up and activate LED flash notification. Alright guys, the process is pretty simple. So we're going to open up settings. From there, scroll down for accessibility. And here in this section, we're going to scroll down for audio and visual. Scroll down till the end to LED flash for alerts. Enter. And simply turn this option on. If you want your iPhone to flash even when it's unlocked or it's in silent mode, just toggle on these two options as well. And that's it. And then when there is any notification, the flashlight will lighten up and there is no chance that you miss a single alert. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.